In the cement industry, a snowman refers to a buildup of material inside the kiln, typically occurring at the cooler end. This buildup gets its name because it often resembles a snowman due to its round, stacked appearance. These formations can be problematic as they obstruct the flow of materials and gases, which are critical for the kiln's proper operation. When a snowman forms, it can disrupt the entire production process, leading to inefficiencies and requiring significant effort to remove. The formation of a snowman can be attributed to various factors. One primary cause is improper fuel combustion, which can lead to incomplete burning and the deposition of unburned material. Fluctuations in kiln temperature also play a crucial role. If the temperature drops too low, materials can solidify and adhere to the kiln walls. Additionally, the presence of certain compounds in the raw materials, such as alkalis or sulfates, can exacerbate the formation of these buildups. Understanding these contributing factors is essential for operators to mitigate the risk and frequency of snowman formation. Preventing and managing snowmen involves regular maintenance and monitoring of the kiln's operating conditions. Operators must ensure optimal fuel combustion and maintain consistent temperatures throughout the kiln. Implementing routine inspections can help identify early signs of buildups, allowing for timely intervention before they become problematic. In some cases, adjustments to the raw material composition or the use of additives can also help reduce the likelihood of snowman formation. Overall, proactive management and a thorough understanding of the kiln's dynamics are key to maintaining efficient operations and minimizing downtime caused by snowmen. Air cannons have proven to be an effective solution for reducing the buildup of snowmen in cement kilns. These devices use bursts of compressed air to dislodge material accumulations from the kiln walls. By strategically installing air cannons in areas prone to buildup, operators can ensure that any developing snowmen are promptly broken apart before they become large enough to cause significant obstruction. The shape of the blast can also help to eliminate the buildup. This shape is achieved with the use of nozzles and can be a simple plow pipe to a fan jet, which provides a sweeping blast effect to the surface of a kiln wall to prevent buildup. The use of air cannons helps maintain a smoother material flow and reduces the need for more invasive mechanical cleaning methods, thereby enhancing the overall efficiency and longevity of the kiln.